Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to another video lesson. Today we are going to start unit 4 of our textbook. This unit will be about anthropology, and these are our objectives. So we will learn understanding compare and contrast. We will learn how compare and contrast is done in English language, especially in reading or writing, and then we will learn how to use the dictionary to distinguish between homonyms, words that sound similar but have different meanings. How can we find the difference in their meaning by using a dictionary? Then we will learn to write a compare and contrast essay, and lastly we will learn about subordinators and transitions to compare. So these are our objectives that we have to attain by the end of the unit. Our unit question is, how important is it to write by hand? Right now a lot of students, they use computers for writing, but how important is it to write by hand? This is the main question. We'll try to find answers to this question by the end of the unit. You have like 3 sub questions here. Read these questions and share your answers in voice message in the group. The first question is, do you like to write by hand, and why? Do you like to write by hand, and if you do, why do you do so? Second, why is it important to preserve the skill of writing? Why is it important to keep the skill of writing alive? And the last one, look at the photo. Here is the photo. Why are these people writing by hand? These people are writing by hand. Why are they doing so? Why might this be important to them? What do you think is the importance to them of writing by hand? Please listen to the Q Classroom online. You have this available in your CDs. If you have copied your CDs files to your laptops or your computers, you can listen to this audio and answer these 2 questions. Answering these 2 questions in the group is optional. You can answer these questions and leave your voice message, or if you don't want to do so, it's just optional. But the first 3 are required. You should answer these questions in voice message and send it to the group. Let's see. This is the photo and people are writing by hand, and by looking at this photo you will have to answer those first 3 questions. Here we have some nice quotations about writing. What does each quotation mean? So read the quotations and first try to understand the meaning. Try to fathom what the person who is saying these things or stating these things is trying to say. Secondly, do you agree with the quotations? Check agree or disagree. Then decide whether you agree or disagree with the quotation. So these are the quotations. I'll read one for you. That which we persist in doing becomes easier. Note that the task itself has become easier, but that our ability to perform it has improved. And there's another quotation. Here is a golden rule. Write legibly. The average temper of a human race would be perceptibly sweetened if everybody obeyed this rule. Keep in mind that these quotes were made when there was no computer, so people had to write by hand. And just see whether you agree or disagree. First try to understand the meaning, and then decide whether you agree or disagree with the quotations. And that's enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will preview the reading and then go towards the reading and see what's there. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.